Hello guys, my name is SANCHI Khandare. So today we will make famous painting, Starry Night. Let's get started without wasting time. I have made a pencil portrait at first so that we can add details afterwards. Here first we are making our blue sky background. Now let's color the black stones. After coloring the stones, let's get back to our sky. The technique we are using is inspired by Van Gogh. According to them, adding little strokes in your painting to make it realistic is really helpful. Make sure you have also painted our castle. At last, let's color the water. Our painting is ready. And yes, it is definitely a masterpiece. By the following steps, you can also create your own masterpiece. So what are you waiting for? Just go for it. Thank you guys.